Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. So negative number 8 we can put into negative or positive number 1 and negative number 9. This one that is about identities, so we have 2x minus 1 to the power of 2. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about 2x minus 1 equals to 3 secant of t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have 9 secant of t square, number 9 and number 9. We can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1, we change tan t square, and later that we simplify the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1, so we have number 2. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one we have secant of t tan t dt. So we know that number 12 we can put into number 6 and number 2 in here. So I will put this one gone here, this one gone here. 2ds we change by this one. So this one we have 9 secant of t square. Number 9 and number 9 we can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1 we change by tan t square. So this one with the power 3 and the square root, we have 27 tan t to the power of 3. Now we need to simplify number 6, number 3, and number 27. We put together and you got 2 over 9. Next, we simplify secant of t tan t on numerator and denominator. So we just have only 1 over tan t square. And this one we have cosine t square. Cosine t square we change by cosecant of t square minus 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of cosecant of t square, we have negative cosine t, number 1 that is about t, and I will put about c. About t that is about this one, so we divide both sides by number 3. And now we can find the value of t. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.